Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to be making ogbono and okra soup. This combination, the taste usually is heavenly. I bet you will try it. So join me today. First of all, as usual, I steam my meat. I'm using chicken, and I'm also going to be using stockfish and dry fish. So first of all, I steam the chicken and the stockfish, keep aside, then heat up the oil, which I'm going to be using to dissolve my ogbono. I love to use hot oil to dissolve the ogbono. I'm not frying it. I just heat up the oil, turn off the gas, and I dissolve the ogbono. After which I will now transfer the steamed meat and the stockfish plus the stock inside, and I set it to start cooking. All right, so after it has cooked for about few minutes, let's say 5 minutes, I'll now start adding my seasonings. Okay, so I have the seasoning cube, and have the fresh pepper. I have the dry chili pepper. I have salt. I'm actually going to be listing the ingredients I'm going to be using in the comment section. Okay, so I'll have to start adding everything now. At this point, I can add either locust beans or what we call ogirope in our native language. But for some reasons, I just didn't feel like using it today. So you can do with it, you can do without it, and your ogbono soup will still be very delicious. And also at this point, I'm going to be adding the dry fish. After adding up everything, I give it a good stir and cover the pot, allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Also, you can add extra water to give you the consistency of your choice. All right, okay, so now it has cooked for about 15 minutes. I'll now add crayfish. Usually crayfish is usually the last thing I add in soup to retain the sweet aroma. After adding crayfish, cook it for about more 5 minutes, and I go in with my fresh okra. Okay, at this point I have to lower the heat, yes, so that I don't overcook the okra. After giving it a stir and cook for about 2 minutes on a low heat, then lastly I'm going to add the ugu leaf. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use uziza, but I always prefer ugu leaf. I love the taste that it gives in ogbono soup. All right, so I just give it a stir, cook on a low heat 1 more minute, and my soup is ready. Come on, look at the soup, is yummy. Yeah, it's giving everything giveable, giving everything ogbono and okra. Very nice and delicious meal. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comment section how you prepare your own ogbono soup. Thank you.